Hello and welcome back to another video. Today is a very late one. It is, what time is it? Quarter to 12, just been out, got back, and I'm going to take you through what I took today. We don't need this because we took one trade, we won, happy days, another green day, another day close to payout, so we can set away quick. We'll go back to market. Oh, you can't see that. Market open. So we didn't trade anything else. Delete everything. Just gonna remove these. Okay, so what do we have? So my bias right here. I'll do a little bit of drawing because I've figured out how you do drawing. Um, so my bias for today, forgetting the hourly. Holy fuck, what? Okay, thank you. Want to tell me why I've got so many volume profiles? Okay, right. Once again, I expect either choppiness or a small bearish day covering the gap that we made on the hourly. Okay, so we're not going down here, I don't think. Not that I would expect. And if we do come down, it won't be far. We might come down to this hourly RB, bounce upwards, and then chop right again in the middle because this is an area of chop. Once again, we're now up inside. It's very sorry, pardon me. So on the 30-minute, we're looking pretty bearish. Last few days, bearish, 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 but we do have a huge bullish candle, which now puts us in the area of maybe changing a structure. So let's have a look for a setup. So we think, okay, we might be longs or we might find an opportunity. Any opportunity I can see right now is this long. So what we have? Oh, me. So on the 5-minute, we've got this high to low. So that's one confluence. We have true day open. We have here like a previous rejection block, which now is like an inverse rejection block. I could call it this rejection area here. So you could probably enter off of that rejection block there, which is perfectly in line with my Fibonacci, which is beautiful. We've got, what else do we have? Previous value area low there, helped by an hourly RB, so this should be resistance. We shouldn't really pass much through that level. 15, 10-minute, yep, we've got rejection here. 15-minute, not so much, but VWAP seems to be moving upwards, which is a sign of maybe I didn't have too much confidence. So we come lower, we stall. So what I think will happen is we'll probably cover that gap. I can't remember how many units I had. 5. I have a feeling it was 5. So I think I had that. Take profit was, I don't think it was that high. It might have been up here. Anyway, this was the trade I took. So I presume normally with all my trades it ends up like this. So where is it? Brush. I feel like we come down here, we bounce up to back to where my take profit is, and we normally dump and then do that, and then eventually we go up. That's what I think. So let's see if it kind of follows this curve. So medium risk because I'm not totally sure. Dumps down, ticks me in, absolutely lovely. If we draw this out, take profit, yeah, I like this. So this high here, buy these highs here, see how we react, and take profit. Lovely stuff. So now I expect us to stall and go down, which we do. Find maybe a new entrant. No, that's way too far, but could we find a small reaction area? Oh, there is 15-minute RB here. So maybe you could long that if you caught that, if you spotted that. Back up to these highs maybe. See how we go. Nope. Oh yeah, Trump was speaking here. If you're wondering why it dumped so much, this was Trump. I completely forgot that happened. So we now have a little retracement. See if we're still following along these lines. Now, is there anything that you could take? So there's a 10 p.m. candle, 10 p.m., 10 a.m. candle. So we'll see what this brings us. So I know people that took this 10 p.m. today. 10 p.m. What the flip am I on about? Okay, it looks like we're putting a new low here. So if we mark out Fibonacci, high to low of this, what do we have? Well, we have the 10 a.m. candle, which is here. We've got Fibonacci, and I don't take 10 a.m., but people do, so they'd short this, and then their stop loss would go up here, and take profit would go down here. It's not something that I would take, but I suppose it is Fibonacci. It is rejection block. It is a lot of things. Was it a 5-minute rejection block? It was. You know what? I got to give it to him. It was valid. And then we dump nicely, lovely. So that was today. We'll go for any more price action if we spot anything. Don't see anything right now. Okay, let me remove this drawing. As you know what, we're going to keep it there because so far we're now at value area low. We're at this VWAP. We could see a reversal any minute. Oh, what's happening there? Okay, right. What do we have? So we have this here. 5 minute. Do we have a rejection area? We have one up here. I can't see. That's fucking fib. Yes, we have one. Me to here. Do we have VWAP? Yes, we do. Do we have any value area high? Any value area low? We have got not too much. This area looks good though. The 600 level. If we were to react, it could be after 600 level. You could probably short this from here. Just a small 2R back down to this rejection area. Let's see what happens if we do come up this high. Maybe retake 10 a.m. and there we go. That would have tapped me in if we were in anyway. If it was glitching, I think we would still be in there just by like what point? Yeah, by a point probably. It'd be break even, so you might have got stopped there. Uh, uh, yeah, a bit of a choppy region, but you'd be break even, so you'd be all right there. My TT is finished downloading. Brilliant. Okay, so that would be it for me. I'm up. This is the account now. So, for goodness me, no looking, no looking. Oh, it's not that, is it? I think it's this. Please be this. Thank you. That is the account right now. So for once, my consistency we're up a little bit. Nothing crazy, nothing brilliant. Much better from last month, but need to keep these good days coming because consistency is key when you're risking almost nothing. So I'm gonna pardon me, hop off. I will catch you later. Thank you for watching and goodbye.